Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a short video about this Logitech mouse, and as you can see it is a pretty basic mouse, at least look-wise, which is kind of interesting. There's no fancy RGB lighting or anything going on, but it definitely comes with really nice shaping, which is really good for your hand. As you can see, as more as I turn it, it actually looks interestingly enough. On the bottom you can see there's also like a really huge side pad on the left for your wrist to rest on, um, so that everything is nice and secure. And we also got a mouse reel on the side, so you can actually move that around with your thumb as well, which is interesting to see, at least in my opinion. And yeah, we got some macro keys on the sides. We got a nice reel on top, nice little um, patterns in there, so we get a good grip. All in all, yeah, pretty minimal looking mouse. As you can see here as well, it's a little tilted, so your hand is actually nice and comfy on there. And yeah, if that's something you're into, like something that's comfortable and not shining with bright colors and all that, this is maybe it. So take care, you guys. My name is Badger. I'm out.